Hello and welcome to SMB Solutions YouTube channel. Today, I Rudresh Chaube will give you a quick walkthrough into our latest creation, AI Dashboard. So, without further ado, let's generate our first report for sales for last 30 days and enter. So here we have our report for our day-wise sales for the month of March, as the current month for today is April, and as you can see everything is clearly structured and formatted by AI. So let's go a step further and generate our first chart by the help of our AI. As you can see, it generated all the KPIs required for the graph, and this is a feedback system by which you can either like the report or dislike the report. Disliking the report will help our AI to learn and improve itself, so that for any further prompts which you may give in future, it would give a better response and more accurate response for you. And here you can describe your issue with the report if it didn't match your satisfaction or didn't match your expectations. As our report was correct, we will thumbs up the report and let's export it to Frappe Insights. To export it to Frappe Insights, first you need to mention the title of the report which you want. So here we will mention last 30 days sales or last 30 days of sales, whatever you like. And to export it finally, you need to create a dashboard or export it into existing one. So let's export it. And here we can see our dashboard is created by the name of sample, and also our report is perfectly and finely accurately created in our Frappe Insights. So here let us see the comparison between sales invoice of last 6 months. And voila, here we have a report properly structured and formatted by AI. And here we have our much needed graph which is accurate to our data which is used by our AI to create the report. And let's like this the report, and let's export it to insights. So here we will mention our title here, and we will select our dashboard which is sample which we just created, and let's export. Perfect. Here we got our last 6 months sales comparison report. So for the last prompt, let's try comparing sales and product per month. As we can see, AI did the job of creating report with accurate results and proper KPIs without the help of a developer. And I'll also show you the graph which it created. As you can see, it also created graph properly with 2 parameters and proper KPIs and everything. And let's export it to our insights. And exporting is almost done. And yes, we got our report to our Frappe Insights with proper graph. And that's it for the demo for our latest AI dashboard app. We will meet in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.